another video, guys. We're going to be doing a simple and easy one-pot meal using couscous. So if it's it that you don't want any rice, it's a great rice alternative, right? We're going to be also putting in it some chickpeas. Now these chickpeas, I've gone ahead and cooked them up from a day before. We're going to be using quite a few vegetables in it. We're also going to be pairing with it though a nice cucumber salad, right, with avocado, tomato, onions, a little lime juice to give it that zest. Don't forget, guys, to give this video a thumbs up if you want to continue watching, subscribe to our channel, and put on your post notification bell. Let's get straight into this video. Working with the salad first. Now, if you don't want your cucumber salad to have a lot of seed, you can always use the English cucumber. I don't have that where I live, right? You want a salad that is quick, easy, and pair well with the couscous, you know, to be more filling. I honestly don't think we need more than one cucumber, guys. Nice fresh avocado I have here. Keeping it simple, so we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. Some lime, you can just rest everything so the onion can break down and release that nice lovely flavor that we want, right? And that is it. This is just an easy salad to go with the couscous. So the seasonings of choice that I'm working with for the couscous is scallion, onion, carrots, pepper, variety of sweet pepper, so you want it to look vibrant, right? And of course, you want to have a little scotchy in there. Not too much because we don't want it to be too spicy. And our broccoli. No, I don't like to throw away the stems, so I like to just cut them fine and add them to whatever I'm doing, right? Adding our oil, followed by our garlic, scallion, and Scotch bonnet peppers, right? We're going to come in with our harder vegetables now, the carrot and the broccoli. We're going to go in with our chickpeas now. I'm going to add in some dry seasoning as well. 1 teaspoon of seasoning blend. a little bit of curry. Going in with some black pepper or green bean and our coconut milk. Now we want to gather all of the flavor from this, right? Because we want it to taste very nice. So ensure that you have enough salt and all the flavors come together lovely, right? Alright, so now that all our flavors has come together, we're going to add in our remaining vegetables. We're going to add in 2 to 2.5 cups of couscous, right? Alright, we can just let that sit for 10 minutes. Now listen guys, couscous is so easy to prepare. All you have to do is just add the warm water to it or your warm milk, coconut milk, and you can just fluff it up, right? I'd eat this all day, every day. One pot meal, very easy to prepare. Dinner is ready, lunch is ready in 15 minutes or so. But we're not finished yet, you know. We are going to add some cranberry because I tell you, said this, guys, oh my God, it just brings it to a different level. Add some cranberry, and guess what? Going in with some lime juice. Excellent flavor, guys. I'm telling you. Don't need more than that. Fluff it up again, and that's it. Right? Your dinner is served. Now let's show you how it looks. I'm gonna plate it out and give you guys some as usual, right? Remember our cucumber salad from earlier? And there you have it, guys, our nice one-pot couscous filled with a lot of vegetables and coconut milk with the nice hint of cranberry and lime juice. You have to give this a try, right? Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.